Your 12-word secret key is the master key to your crypto. But your password? That's the lock on the front door, and it needs to be rock solid. Setting a strong, unique password for your Exodus wallet isn't optional. It's an important step to protect your funds. Let's walk through how to create a password that's both extremely secure and easy to remember. Unlike other passwords, your Exodus password is the key to your most valuable assets, so this one deserves extra care. It unlocks the door to your 12-word secret key and all your individual private keys. If it's weak, or if you lose it, your funds could be at risk. Here are the 2 golden rules. Rule 1, it must be unique. Never reuse a password you've used anywhere else. If another site gets hacked, your wallet stays safe. Rule 2, it must be strong, at least 16 characters. Password strength comes from length, not the use of unusual symbols. A long phrase beats a short, complicated word every time. So what's the best way to create a strong password? Use a long, memorable sentence, something like, eating watermelons in the winter of 4723. It's long, random, and easy to remember, which makes it incredibly strong. If you want a bit of extra flair, add details you remember but no one else would. You can use symbols or mixed capitalization to help break the patterns. The key is the phrase should feel meaningful or funny to you, but completely random to anyone else. Now, a few things to avoid. No personal information such as birthdays or pet names. No predictable substitutions like a $sign for S. Cracking tools try those first. And never use patterns like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 or QWERTY. And finally, be smart about storing your passwords. Quick note about passcodes on mobile. If you're using a 4 or 6-digit passcode on your mobile device, the same principles apply. Avoid simple patterns like 1111 or 123456, and skip anything tied to personal information such as your birthday or address. Just like your password, your passcode protects access to your funds, so make it strong and unpredictable. Now back to passwords. You don't need to remember dozens of 16-character passwords. Use a dedicated password manager, such as Apple Keychain, Google Password Manager, or 1Password. These tools generate, store, and autofill strong passwords for you safely. And because your wallet password protects your crypto, use your best and most secure passphrase as your manager's master password. By choosing a unique, long passphrase and storing it safely, you're taking the biggest step towards securing your crypto. Thanks for watching, and if you'd like to learn more about crypto, click on any of these videos to keep watching.